No.
Just what does one call this?
You couldn't work on that, could you?
6-cylinder, massive great devil of a thing.
For God's sake, what is that? Is that a 2 litre? It's got to be.
Well, I don't quite know what it is. Oh, look at the front fork setup. Gee, Mac, what a linkage. Jesus Christ. This is something else. A big slash cut silencer. Well, I'll have to inquire what this is. Seen it all. It's certainly different. The size of the exhaust. Over the road we have the race reps. Here we have an American spec black bomber 450. Absolutely immaculate.
It's a Founders 100.
Beautiful, isn't it? American export model, isn't it?
I'd imagine so, yeah.
Yeah, it looks that way. Here we see the other guy. Lovely high level pipe. Beautiful little bike. Nice little bird. Well, he should be. He's the man. That's not his Laverda though. It's another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he's Suzuki. Yeah. CBR 250. This is what we like to see, an old velo. Sounds nice. My kind. Anyone who tries to steal this gets handcuffed. They used to call him a flexi flyer, wasn't it? Kawasaki 500 222 stroke. Tire next to it. 750 BM. And a multitude of other machinery. Here's my mount today, the Goodsey. Thunderbird, not the Thunderbird we knew, mind you. Over at Cam 900. Some of the lads coming along. Couple more of them. The old run's taking us down by Cork Motorcycle this year and along the coast. There's a view of the landscape. Go back now, there's some more bikes coming down the road. A few more of them anyway.